Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you enjoy my video today, please subscribe, and if you click on the bell next to the subscribe button, you will be notified each time I post a new video. Today's video is my first for Scrapping Fun Kits. I am now a design team member for the Scrapping Fun Kits, and I'm going to do an unboxing of my first kit. This is the March kit, and I thought that I might open this in the presence of everybody. First of all, there's 4 single-sided papers. The theme seems to be Easter. This has got little brown bunny heads on it. A nice blue. It's a sort of a semi-satin finish to the paper. A brown and a mauve floral. So these are all about A5 size. Then we've got some cutouts. We have to fussy cut these. There's some Easter themed and some shamrocks if you're thinking about St. Patrick's Day. Then there's a sheet of sayings. All sorts of sayings on here, from autumn to winter to Happy Easter, I think. So there's the 4 papers. Very nice. Now the embellishments section, we have got some ribbon that has got an autumn theme. We have got some fabric that is a turquoise mesh. I think of lots of ways to use that. And some brown lace. We have some grass. I guess that this could be used for an Easter layout along with this bunny cutout. We could use that either facing in either direction. This is lovely, little turquoise tassel. Perhaps we could put that around the Easter bunny's neck. We'll have a look and see how it fits. Then there's this tag with text on one side, blank on the other. Some washi tape that has bunnies on it. Very cute. Could also use this these embellishments if you're going to do, say, a layout on your pet rabbit. It doesn't have to be Easter themed. Here's a bunch of 4-leaf clovers if you're going for the St. Patrick's Day, and then a little Happy Easter die cut in purple. We've got 3 buttons. They are white on one side and green with a white spot on the other side. And then we've got 5 of these little metal flowers. These little metal flowers would look nice as centres for your shamrocks in that shamrock die cut. There's 5 of those. Very cute. So just recapping, we've got a label, we've got buttons, we've got washi tape, we've got a couple of die cuts, we've got a little tassel, and we've got some grass die cut. We have some lace. Happy Easter die cut, some mesh, some ribbon, and some lace. And then of course we've got our 4 pattern papers. Oh, and our die cuts. So there is heaps in this kit. So if you haven't already subscribed to Scrapping Fun Kits, pop on over to their blog and subscribe. I'll put a link below. I hope you enjoyed my video today. Don't forget to subscribe so you can see my new videos as they become available. I would love it if you would share my videos with your friends. I love reading your comments too, so please don't forget to leave one for me.